Hey guys, so I'm back with my first controversial video, the start of many. Now I'll be trying to get videos like this up every day for you guys. If not every day, then it'll be every second day because guys, I do have a life. Anyway, to jump straight into it, I'm going to show you guys a video that caught my attention the other day. Now, if you're an animal lover like myself, be warned that it's not very nice to watch.
We better ain't ready because I want to get shot. Imagine to get chased. Like to go get him. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better not get in your car. You better run in your car. You go chase him. Oh, shit, coming in. Oh, you go knuckle up. You're going to throw him down the sled. Yeah. What is he doing? He's going to the ground. Or that's to the ground. Oh, he just got stuff like that. He can't even care. Yeah, like the dog. The dog wants to. Oh, imagine the dog comes out. Like the dog is barking. I'll let the dog out. I'll let the dog out.
Oh shit, the dog.
Yeah, the dog. Like he's trying to jump out too. Look. Let it jump out. Oh shit. Hey, watch it. Watch it. Yeah, that dog. Yeah, that dog is smart. Get back, dude. He's gonna miss. Shot. Shot the dog. Man, he was a ghost.
Alright guys, the video that you just watched was taken in June 2013 in California. It was on a Sunday evening. Already this video has reached 5 million views on the internet. Now to me, this video was wrong in so many ways. So first of all, the dog was just trying to protect his owner like most people train their dogs to do. Would you not agree? But nowhere in this video did you see that dog actually harm the officer in any single way. And what I want to know is, why did the officer feel the need to kill this loyal dog? Isn't that why they have pepper spray? It would have just been as quick to whip out his gun from his belt. So anyway guys, the officers in this video were taken off street duty because of numerous death threats on themselves and their families. I can't really say that I blame the death threats because it was wrong of what they did. Now guys, this brings me to the end where I ask you guys what your opinion is on this whole video. Comment down below, and if you like the video guys, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching Chit Chat with Matt. See you guys tomorrow.